Are you also struggling with displacement textures in Nanite after importing your maps from Gaea? Let's fix this problem together in this tutorial. Hey everyone, today we're tackling a big issue in Unreal Engine. When you import a height map and activate Nanite, parts of the terrain suddenly disappear. Let's fix that once and for all. Parallax occlusion mapping, POM, is a technique used to create realistic surface depth and detail on flat geometry without adding any extra polygons. In simple terms, it makes your textures like rocks, ground, or bricks appear 3D and bumpy, even though the mesh is completely flat. This is done using a height map to fake the illusion of depth. Now let's see how it actually works. First, we need our displacement texture. And here, we'll extract it from our other DP texture. Then, we make a copy of it, and to connect it to the POM node, we convert it into a standard texture. Now we need to connect the UV output to all of our textures. For the UV input, we'll use the same texture coordinate we multiplied earlier. Next, for the other input, press the number 4 key to create a color node with 4 outputs. Convert it to a parameter, and rename the channels to height ratio, min step, and max step. Because this node creates strong displacement, keep the height map value very low. The min step and max step values control the quality of the height effect, but try not to set the max too high, as it can make your scene heavy. The next input is the render shadow, which we promote to a parameter. In the parallax occlusion mapping node, the render shadow input controls whether or not the fake parallax depth should affect the way the surface casts and receives shadows. Light vector. The light vector input tells the POM node where the main light is coming from. It defines the direction of light used to calculate internal microshadowing within the parallax effect. We connect the sky atmosphere's directional light to this node, so that as the sun moves, the shadows generated by the POM update dynamically and stay consistent with the lighting. The reason the settings didn't work here is that I forgot to link our displace texture from the ORDP to the height map channel input. To fix this, create a color node, set the blue value to 1, and connect it to the input. That will solve the problem. To get better shadow results, use a lerp node. Make a copy of your texture and darken it using a multiply node. Then, take the shadow output from the POM and connect it to the lerp's alpha input. This way, you'll achieve much more realistic and balanced shadows. To make the displacement align more accurately with the objects in the scene, we can also connect the pixel depth offset output to its corresponding node in the material.